Hey, hello friends. Hi, I am Deepa Thakur. Welcome back again in C programming language. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about character constant. In previous lesson, I have already explained you constant using hash define using constant keyword. In my constant tutorial part 1. After that, type of constant. In type of constant, there are two types of constant, primary constant and secondary constant. In primary constant, integer constant, real or floating point constant, character constant, string constant. In integer constant, there are three types of integer constant: decimal constant, decimal integer constant, octal integer constant, hexadecimal integer constant, which we have seen in constant part 2 tutorial. After that, floating point constant in part 3 tutorial. Now let's see character constant in our part 4 tutorial. What is character constant? So character constant is a part of primary constant. All alphabets A to Z, lowercase, uppercase, digits 0 through 9 and special symbols are the set of characters. Now see rules of constructing characters constant. First, a character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit or a special symbol enclosed within single inverted comma. First. Second, both inverted commas should be the left. Left inverted comma is applied for character constant. If you use the right inverted comma, it's not allowed. Third, the maximum length of character constant can be one character only. So here are some valid character constant. First, inverted comma, left inverted comma, maximum length is 1. A to Z, uppercase. Special symbols, lowercase, integer, number for 0 to 9. Likewise, these all are valid character constant. These all are maximum length is 1. They are left inverted commas and A to Z capital is allowed, special symbol or lowercase or integer number. There are some invalid character constant also. Here two characters are included in one left inverted comma. These are not allowed. These are also more than 1. These are also more than 1. Numbers also more than 1. Small lowercase alphabets also more than 1. Special symbols also more than 1. And uppercase also more than 1. Therefore, these are invalid character constant. Now, if we have already seen what is integer constant and what is character constant, these two things are different. How they are different, I will explain you in my next slide. Let's see. Here are in single quotation left inverted comma, in left inverted comma 5. ASCII value is 053 7 0 5 5. These are the ASCII values. These are the character constant. And for integer constant, we write simply 5 comma 7. So these are the integer constant. Every character constant have unique number or unique integer value. Here that unique number or value are called as ASCII values. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So character constant have unique integer value in ASCII values. These are that values. 5 for 5 it use 053, 7 055. So now ASCII values is not only in integer, that they have alphabets, special symbols and integers are used in ASCII values. Here it means if you have machine and that machine is working on ASCII values, then you have to write the program for character constant in ASCII values. Let's see chart of ASCII values. These are chart of ASCII values which we are use in our character constant. Now let's see some examples. Now see this example. Hash include studio.h int of main, that's why return 0. Char grade equals to in left inverted comma alphabet. We are using that small c. In that printf for printing grade equals to mod c because we use the character, that's why we use mod c grade. If you run the program, grade equals to c is printed. The value of grade is c. The character constant is c. That's why c. If we use the example of scanf user defined, then so in this user defined hash include studio.h main return 0 char grade enter grade enter grade. If you enter the grade here r, it will show you the grade of student is r. Likewise user defined we use. These are the simple character constant. If we using ASCII value, if our machine need ASCII value, we use that ASCII value. ASCII value example, let's see. So in this example, ASCII value hash includes studio.h void main. That's why we not return 0, right? Return 0. Char ch print enter the character. Mod s for char we use mod s. Data type char. Mod c sorry. And ch address. For that we use csch. So enter the character. I have entered the character r. The ASCII value of r is 114. As we saw in chart, small r ASCII value is 114. So these are the examples. If you have any queries or question, please write below in the comment section. I will answer them. If you like the video, click on like button. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you got notification whenever I upload my next video. In my next video, I will tell you string constant. What is string constant? So thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day.